Standardizing cabinet sizes cuts custom shop time and material waste, so builders can deliver budget-friendly homes faster. Choose a consistent set of sizes and stick with them during design and ordering to save both time and money. Use 30-inch wall cabinets as a default where ceiling heights allow because they provide ample storage and reduce the need for varied orders. Set a base cabinet height of 36 inches, including countertop, to match common appliance heights and minimize adjustments during installation. Specify widths in 3-inch increments such as 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 30 inches, so off-the-shelf options fit without trimming or custom face frames. Limit custom built-ins to 1 or 2 focal areas like a media wall or pantry so you maintain a mostly modular kitchen and reduce lead times. Rely on off-the-shelf drawer and shelf inserts for cutlery, spice, and trash organization to avoid expensive fabricated interiors and keep functionality high. Many projects try to be unique and end up costing more because cabinets are ordered in odd widths that require custom panels. Stick to standard increments to avoid that extra expense. Another common issue is inconsistent heights between appliances and counters. Measure appliance heights early and lock in a 36-inch base height, so cabinets and appliances align without modification. A third problem is over-specifying custom interiors when a simple off-the-shelf insert would work. Audit storage needs and choose ready-made organizers first, which are cheaper and available immediately. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around sensible building decisions like standard cabinet sizing so people can find local help and practical advice. On our site, we share project examples, and we host a discussion community where builders and homeowners exchange tips, source links, and real-world experiences.